But right now, we gotta win this game. We gotta take it to them every single play. We need a turnover. We need something to happen. And I know every single one of you can do that.
You knock down doors. You kick down walls. And anyone who tells you you can't, you take your fears, your insecurities, your worries, you roll them all up into a ball, you turn those son of bitches sideways and stick them straight up the candy ass!
You gotta get them in wherever you can, whenever you can.
Oh, come on, come on!